welcome to the channel. This is a little 25 Mini Cooper, pearl white. Wants a little bit of suspension there on the corner. It's not as bad as it looks. Now this is episode 2 of these minis just keep coming. A few of the subscribers had asked could we do a little bit more. Enjoyed the first episode, so if you haven't watched that you can find it on the channel there. So this little 25 pearl white Mini Cooper with a works kit. A little bit of damage on the front corner as you've seen there. We're going to get this one off the truck shortly. We'll just open it up and show you inside. As you can see, works seats, panoramic roof, current model. We'll show you this one throughout the video. So if you want to sit back and enjoy, hope you enjoy the video guys. We'll get straight into it.
Do you hear that?
If you watched episode 1, you would have seen this little Clubman John Cooper works coming off the truck. Stolen recovered one that's come in at 28 state cars, this one. Now, they'd stolen the speedo and the center screen and damaged a bit of the wiring. As you can see guys, massive specification car, John Cooper works seats, the whole shebang in this one, automatic. Make a lovely little car this. I'm going to get a little bit more hands-on in the video rather than just being behind the camera and doing a bit of chatting. So, Richard's got one going out, it's just getting loaded on the truck. Right guys, this one's just loaded, going to its new custodian. This little Countryman going across country to its new owner. Right, we need to get over to John's now and start getting some parts ready. This is a donor vehicle for parts. And we've got a delightful task today. I've just had to empty all this out the back of it. As you can see, it's quite heavily stripped, but I've got a delightful task today of taking the dashboard out of this, or most of it. And if you've seen in our other video, there was a Mini arrived with these cables cut, where they'd taken out, someone had stolen the clock out the middle. So it's not the loom as such we need, but it's these little coax cables which are pieced into the loom, so we're going to have to unpick that. So I will show you a few bits of that, but unfortunately it goes right up under the dash, through all the way down the side of the car. And then I have unpicked it slightly at the back, you'll see it hanging down. So we'll show you a few bits of this today. It looks like I probably am going to have to take the whole entire dashboard out on this, but right, we'll keep you posted. Okay guys, we'll have to bolt these out of here. Guys, that was no walk in the park getting that out. There you go, one dash pad and a load of wiring still fighting with us. There you go, dash pad out. Now we need to unpick the bits of loom that we need. So we'll have a go at that. All part of the fun. Right guys, this one's on the ramp here now, suspension's off, as you can see. It's ready for a corner of suspension, everything's off, drive shaft. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe guys if you're enjoying the video. As you'll know, if you've been watching these mini videos, John and his team don't mess about in turning these vehicles around. Can't always be here with the camera. But fortunately we are today, so we're just having a little walk round at eye level on this now. Once that suspension's back on and a few little bits of trims, this one will be back at the showroom. As I said, we'll follow this one right the way through to the end. Okay, I've just had a call, there's another Mini due to arrive at any moment on the truck. Right, so we've got another one here. Nice colour, isn't it? Just mechanical damage, this one's coming off at John's at GPS. From what we can see on this one guys, there's a hole in the sump. Hopefully it doesn't need a full engine, but if it does, John will sort it. He doesn't mess about. I'll have a little look inside this one there. Right guys, just a little update to where we're up to with this one. As you can see, we've got the wiring out here, and I've took the full dash loom out. I've unpicked all the loom that came out the centre of the dashboard to the radio. There's the radio plug, which we may need another wire off this year. I'm not sure whether we need this one. And I've unpicked the loom all the way down the car. Now this is only a breaker, this car, so don't cringe too much because it doesn't need, this one doesn't need to go back together. And I've unpicked it all the way down the side. There's the dashboard, steering wheel, everything. Unpicked all the way down through the quarter panel, up around where it fed up into the headlining up there, to the antenna up there. So I've unpicked it all, had to sit there carefully unpick all the taping, so we've got all the wires and they don't have to be joined. And this is the loom, which can be overlaid over the other car. So there's some pieces of loom to go in there and there, and there is a small amount extra that we need. So there you go. Just be careful what you're taking on. If you are taking on salvage, it can be very rewarding and very saving on the costs, but it also can be a nightmare if you're not sure what you're doing. Now, I've had about 20 years prior messing about with stuff like this, so if you've not got the parts, and not these little bits of wire in here, and not the sort of thing you can just go and buy, so you would need a donor car like this one has. I mean, this one is only a breaker car, so it doesn't matter. So there you go guys, we'll keep you updated. Okay guys, looks perfect at the top, but there is some damage to the sump, but John will sort this one out, no problem at all. So it's off the truck now. Little John Cooper Works kit. Nice colour, this one. Lovely little car, this, guys. I don't think I've seen a salvage car come from a salvage yard and be so clean. Absolutely stunning condition. Nice spec as well. I just had a little chat with John there. He said, I'll have that ready this afternoon. I'm like, really? He went, yeah, no problem. So guys, I think we'll be seeing this one completed throughout this video. Just keep tuned and we'll see.
Do you hear that?
Okay guys, we've got this here. John's in the process of resurrecting this. He's going to build a complete engine, and that is going to go into, okay, and this is the engine out. The other engine I've just shown you is going to go into this one once it's built up. John will work his magic on this and it'll be all back together. Looks horrific because the engine's out, but he'll have this back together in no time. But wants a good wash when it comes out. Good clean. Load of parts in the back. The John Cooper Works, this one, John? Yeah. This one. Can't see much in here, but we'll show you this one when it's all back out, which will be in no time the way John goes. He's like lightning. So there you go, guys. Okay guys, this one's back now, sat on its feet, ready for a valet, a good minting up. And it will almost be ready to go on sale. Needs a very good clean. Right guys, this has had all the suspension replaced and the components it required. It's had a few little body trims. The valeter's going to get on this one and give it a good minting up now. We'll show it you properly all at the end when it's done. John and his team have turned this one around very quickly. It's all been four-wheel aligned. It's had a new wheel on there as well. So yeah, when this one's finished completely, we'll show you all around it, and it'll be going on sale in the showroom. There we go, just have a little look under the bonnet there. Everything's as it should be, just needs a good clean. Show it you when it's all complete. Right guys, this is a little Clubman with the wiring that needs sorting. This is the one we've taken the wiring out the other one for. As you can see, Cooper S works. Really nice spec car this. Just needs a bit of wiring sorting out. Going to show you inside now. Okay, we're inside now. I'm just going to flip it over and show you where we're up to. Looks a bit daunting, but it isn't really. So once we've got everything sorted here, I'm not sure we're going to have this one finished in this video, but if we have, we'll show it at the end. If not, it'll be in the next mini video. Okay, the wiring's been cut off on this and we've got everything stripped out, so it looks a bit worse than it is. But we've got most of the wiring here. We've got the little link cable here which links from the multi-plug here back to the clocks over here. And we've got a couple of other little plugs there to sort out. And then this is the replacement radio unit to get in. And as you can see, most of these wires that are cut are link wires which link back to the screen and stuff. So like I said, it looks a bit more daunting than it actually is. And we've got to run some new aerial cables up to the back of the headline, in which I have dropped down ready to sort that out. So like I say, we might get this one finished in this video. If not, it'll definitely be in the next video. So stay tuned guys, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. It takes a while to make these videos and I hope you're enjoying them, so please give us a like and subscribe, really appreciated. And all you guys who have already subscribed, hope you're enjoying the videos and it's really appreciated, and thanks for the support. There we go guys, I did say John didn't mess around. 3 hours after being off the truck, fixed and running. Sweet little bird, nice little car this, we'll show you around it. Okay, this one's back from John's, like I just said to you guys. 3 hours off the truck, engine repaired, new sump, oil and filter repaired, on the key, running, done 20 something thousand miles. Lovely little car this, Cooper S. Got all the works kit. I'll just show you inside. Got the John Cooper Works entry plates, John Cooper Works seats. Very clean inside. Let's just power up the ignition. There you go, 29,000 miles. Super clean. Doesn't even need a hoover really, it's that clean inside. Lovely little car. We'll just start it up. And we'll show you under the bonnet. I know we have showed you this earlier, walking around it, but it wasn't running there. There we go. Sweet as a bird. Okay guys, remember the little white one that came in off the truck on the beginning of the video, the little 25 plate? She's all finished. We're just going to show you around it now. Okay guys, there it is, all finished. The little 25 plate Mini Cooper with the works kit. Nice little car in pearl white, all finished. Like I said, this was the one from the beginning of the video. It had very light damage on the front corner. It's all repaired now, it's valeted, it's cleaned, it's ready to go on sale. If you're interested in any of these cars in the video or in the showroom at 28 State Cars, Richard, your contact. Little John Cooper Works emblem there. Yeah, Richard, your contact. And 28 State Cars is in Burscough, Lancashire. So it's good of him to let us do the video on these. This has turned out a lovely little car. Panoramic roof on this one as well. Just quickly show you inside. John Cooper Works entry plates, John Cooper Works seats. Nice little car, all valeted, cleaned, done. John Cooper Works steering wheel. Harman Kardon stereo system. Head-up display. It's on the button. Just showing us the doors open there. So there you go guys, we'll just show you it's driving as it should. Drives absolutely perfect. So if you're interested in any of these cars, like I said, there's Richard's contact details on the sign above the showroom. Big thanks to him for letting us come and do the video of all these minis. Hope you're enjoying the video. There'll be more mini videos to come. Help us get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We're a long way off yet. If you need to know any info or you want to know any info, leave a message in the comments. Check out our other videos on the channel and we'll see you in the next one.